Hello my lovely foodies, this is CiCi. Today we're going to make something super fun and super crispy all at the same time. We're going to make vegetable egg roast. We're going to transfer in the glass noodles. Pour in water. And soak for 10 minutes. Drain and cut it into 1.5-inch pieces. In a small bowl, combine the soy sauce, oyster sauce, hoisin sauce, and white pepper. Mix well. In a wok, over high heat, add the extra light olive oil, carrot, cabbage, and snow peas. Stir fry until softened for about 1 minute. Now we're gonna add the shiitake mushrooms, bunashimeji mushrooms, and garlic. Stir fry for about a minute. Add the glass noodles and sauce. Mix well and cook for another 30 seconds. Transfer the filling to a plate and let it cool for about 20 minutes. Now we're gonna put an egg roll wrapper flat on the working surface, kind of like a diamond shape, so the corner is pointing toward you. Place about 1.5 tablespoons of filling on it. Fold the bottom corner up and over the filling. Fold the left corner toward the center, and fold the right corner to the center as well. Continue to roll it up until the top triangle of the wrapper is left. Brush a little beaten egg over the top and roll it up all the way, tightly and seal. And repeat with the remaining wrappers and filling. In a large pot over high heat. Heat up the extra light olive oil to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. To test if the oil is ready, throw a tiny piece of egg roll wrapper into the pot. If it immediately rises and it has bubbles all around it, then the oil is ready. Carefully transfer in the egg rolls. Deep fry over high heat until they're golden brown for about 6 minutes. Transfer to a paper towel lined plate. And served. Super delicious. So when you first bite into it, you can hear the crunchy sounds. It's really over the top crunchy, so delicious. And when you bite into it a little more, you get all these heavenly goodies, all the vegetables, super satisfying. I'm so happy right now. So I hope that you enjoyed today's episode as well. Oh, there's another thing that I want to mention. If you're a vegetarian, you don't have to add the oyster sauce or the hoisin sauce. You can just replace it with a little more soy sauce. It will still be super delicious. And again, I hope that you enjoyed today's episode. If you like it, subscribe, thumbs up. I will see you again next Friday for another awesome episode. Bye for now.